Look carefully at this model. Hi, I'm Julie, and as you know, I am an AI influencer. Now you must be wondering how I am talking to you, so buckload by up. Please tell me how you have made me friends. This is the model you are talking to now. She was talking from any angle and you felt that this is not real, but an AI model. Not only this, I can call whatever I want from it. Friends, if you also want, you can create an AI influencer or AI model who speaks like this. First of all, you can create this. Both of these are not real. Both of these models are fake. I know you people are not able to believe what I'm saying, but believe me, both of these models are not real. Both of these models are fake. They have been created by AI and many such. Profile you YouTube one virtual influencer who earns in lakhs and is the brand ambassador of the company. And like this Kara, who has worked with brands like Titan Boat Edge Motors, and she charges 5 to 10 lakhs for a campaign, friends. Similarly, in the last 1 year, more than 60 virtual influencers have been created, and these influencers charge up to Instagram too, whereas this is not a real influencer. Let me tell you once again that they have been created with AI and similar AI influencers. Yes, friends, today I'm going to tell you the complete process of how you can create an AI influencer like Naina and Kara, and you can call whoever you want from it, and that too for free. Yes, friends, you do not need to pay a single penny in this. First of all, I will tell you how you can create the image of an AI influencer. Then I will tell you how to create the reels of an AI influencer. And in this video, I will also tell you this. I will tell you how to give voice to your AI influencer. And believe me, if you watch this video till the end, you will not only be able to create an AI influencer, but will also be able to earn a lot of money from it. So now, without any further ado, watch the video. Let's start, friends. I just have a request to you. If you like the video, then do give a like on the video. Let me tell you in advance that whatever I'm going to tell you here, you can do it from both your PC and mobile. If possible, to create an AI influencer, first of all, we are going to need a beautiful face. So for this, first of all, you have to click on Google 2 in your mobile, and you can go directly to that website. Now here you have to search Gravity, right? Now the link of this website will appear in front of you. You have to click on it. Now you have to click on these 3 lines from here. Now here you will see a button of Start for Free. You have to click on it. Now here you have to create your account from any one of them. After creating the account, some kind of interface will appear in front of you. Now you have to click on these 3 points from here. Now here you will get many options. Here you will get the image. You will get an option to promote. You have to click on it. Now here you will get an option to promote realistic portrait image. You have to click on this. After clicking, you will see some kind of interface. Now here you will get the most small. You have to click on the first option. Then here you have to select whatever model you want to create in male and female. Then you have to write the age of your model in the second option. After this, you have to write the age of your model in the third option. You have to write the name of the country, according to which country you want the model. Now here you have to write some details about your model, what type of model you want. Then I write some details according to myself here. Now after this, you have to write here about the type of dress you want on your model. For now, I write modern here. If you want to write any more details, then you can write it here. After writing everything, you will see this. You have to click on the Create Content button. Now within some time, it will write 4 or 5 programs and give you 4 or 5 programs as per the details of your model. Now whatever program you like, you have to copy it from here. Now it is simple for you. You have to click on the Generate button. Now in some time, it will generate the image of your model according to your promotion. You can see how well it has generated the image of our model. Now suppose if you do not like the image, then you can generate a new image by clicking on the Generate button again. Now here we have generated the image of our model. Now, to download it, simply click on this button. If you want to click on the download icon, then now I will tell you how to make reels of photos. For this, you will again get a link to googleapis.com. You have to click on it. Friends, you will not have to sign up on this website. There is no need to do anything, etc., because it is absolutely free. Now, a button of Start Face Shopping is being shown in front of you. You have to click on it. Now here you will get two options. First is the original image. In this option, we have that photo. We have to upload the image on which we need the face of our model. You can take this image from anywhere. If you want, here you have to upload the image of your model's face. After uploading the image, you will have to click on the Start Face Spring button. You have to click on it. Now in a few seconds, it will place your model's face on top of your original image, which you can see here. Now to download it, you simply have to click on the download icon, after which this image will be sent to your mobile. It will be saved in the gallery. In this way, you can create images of your model in as many different poses as you want. Friends, I know that the video is a bit long, but I don't want you to miss any point. That's why I'm showing you here. I'm explaining each point in detail so that you can understand everything well. Now I will tell you how to create multiple reels of your model. Now for this, you will again get many videos for Google Update.exe. Here you're going to get 2 new unlimited videos on which you can create reels by putting your model's face. For this, you simply have to click on whatever video you like from here. Now here you will get a use this template. A button is being shown, you have to click on it. Now here you will get an option of change image. You have to upload the image of your model by clicking on it. After uploading the image, you just click on the render video button. Now you have to click. This will put your model's face on the original video, which you can watch by playing it here. Now if you do not like the videos here, you can also add them if you want. If the video is already downloaded, then I will select the option of upload video file from here. Now below this you will get an option of click and drag file. You have to upload the original video by clicking on it. Later, from here you can increase or decrease the length of your original video. That is, how many minutes do you want to keep your video? So for now I will leave it full. Rest, you do not have to change anything here. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see a button for the next step. You have to click on it. Now here you will get an option of click and drag image. Now by clicking here, you can upload the image of your model. After uploading the image, you have to click on the render video button. Now in some time it will put the face of your model in your original video, which you can see by playing it here. Now it is simple to download it. You have to click on this download button, after which this video will be downloaded in the gallery of your mobile. Now I will tell you how to call your model. For this you will again see an interface like this. Now first of all, you have to click on these 3 lines, and from here you have to create your account by clicking on Sign Up. After creating the account, you have to scroll down a bit. Here you will get an option of Explore All. You have to click on it. Now here you are getting a lot of options. Here you will get an option of lip sync. You have to click on it. Now some kind of interface will come in front of you. Now first of all, you have to click on this delete icon. You have to delete this video. Now you will get the option of click to select video. You have to upload the video of your mod by clicking on it. After uploading the video, now here you will get an option of audio here also. First of all, you have to delete this audio by clicking on the delete button. Now you will get the option of clicking to select audio here. You have to click on this and upload the audio which you want to call from your model. Yes, if you do not want to give your own voice here, then you can also give AI voice here. I have already made 1 or 2 videos on this in which I told you how you can generate unlimited voice for absolutely free. If you also want to learn, then you can go to my channel and watch these 2 videos. In these you will also get Adam's voice. Now here we have uploaded both audio and video. So now you have to scroll down a little. Now here you will get a submit button is being shown. You have to click on it. Now in some time it will start lipping in your video, due to which your model will start speaking. You can play it from here and watch it. Hi, I'm Julie, and as you now I am an AI influencer. Now you must be thinking that how am I talking to you? So baklol bhaya, please tell me how you have made me. Now to download this video, you have to click on these 3 dots. Now you can download it here. You will get the option of clicking on it, and you have to download this video in your mobile gallery. Friends, there are two things missing in this video which are very important to tell. First, how can you remove such watermark from your video? And secondly, you get 400 credits here, after which you have to use it unlimited. Otherwise, you will comment in the comment section that, "Sir, you were saying unlimited," whereas here you're getting 400 credits. So First, let me tell you how to remove this watermark. For this, you have to open an editing application, which you know well. I will use pen here if you also want pen without watermark. So, if you want to remove my telegram.com, then you can see that our video has come here. So now to remove this watermark from here, you can do two things. Firstly, you can put the logo of your channel on it. And secondly, you can put the original video on top of it, which we have now. You have to hold these corners above this video and bring them down like this and set it here like this. So now you're here. You can see that the watermark has been removed from your video. In this way, you can remove the watermark from your video. Now to download it, you have to click on the download icon and then click on the Save as Video button. You have to download this video in your mobile gallery. Now let me tell you how to use this website unlimitedly for free. Friends, when you finish 400 credits, then after this, you have to click on this user icon. You have to do this and log out from here. Now you have to open the text in your mobile and search here, tap Mail. Now this application will appear in front of you. You have to install it from here and open it. You have to close it from here. Now here you are being shown an email ID, and here you are also being shown an option to change. You can change the email ID from here as many times as you want by clicking on this change option. Something like this. Now you have to copy this email ID from here and come back to the Magic Kaise website. Now you have to click on the sign up button again from here and enter that email ID in the email address. Now you have to paste it, which we had just copied. After this, you have to click on this sign up with email button, after which you have to come back to the template application. Now here, you have to scroll down a little. Here, you will get a mail from Magic Kaise. You have to click on it. Now here, you will be shown a sign-in button. You have to click on it after signing in. Now here, you will get 400 rupees again. You will get credit. In this way, you can use it for free as long as you want. I hope you liked this video, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch such interesting videos. Let's meet. Hain in a steamy video. Tak tak apna kalki ka bye bye.